What's up, guys? It's your boy Sierato, and we are on our way to New York to do another episode of Made to Order with my guy BOBAN. Keep watching. This is Boban Marjanović, NBA big man for the Dallas Mavericks, and most recently, Netflix movie star. We're gonna be doing these episodes a little bit different now. Decided to do a little bit of rearranging on what I, prioritize work-wise, content-wise, and everything else. The YouTube's gonna look a little bit different going forward, but how are we gonna change it exactly? What we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Sierato TVs, which you guys are familiar with. You guys have seen my vlog channels, obviously, if you're an OG on the channel. If you haven't, you're gonna get to see a lot more of those coming up. Basically, I'm just gonna keep this a lot more personal with you guys. Basically, just show you exactly what it is that I'm doing each week out of my life. Sometimes it'll have athletes in it, sometimes it'll have celebrities in it, sometimes it'll have, tattooing in it, sometimes it'll just be, whatever I got up to that weekend. It'll always be interesting, that's for sure. So stick around with me, check it out, let's get into it. Now, Boban, if you've never met him, is one of the goofiest dudes and the funnest, most nicest guys you're ever going to meet. I mean, he's one of the best humans on the planet, that's for sure. Like, all the things you hear about Boban and Bobby and Toby and all this other stuff they be talking about, it's real. Like, Boban is one of the nicest dudes, and I consider him a real friend now. Oh, you're the best, and you can do it! He's my guy. The process to paint these shoes is really just basically the same as any other shoe or any other Galaxy piece. The only thing that's a little bit different here is that we're, taping over the midsole so I can keep those white, midsole sections nice and pearly white. And of course, after that, we have to, add these Boban 51 stencils, for his jersey number and his name, make sure they're personalized for Boban and they're not just a, everyday run-of-the-mill Galaxy print. Coming in at 7'4" and size 19, we gotta make these special because of how hard it is for him to find shoes.
Hey, you know what I hate when somebody stops at my shoes? This is because I wear like only one shoe.
For a shoe size like that, it's hard to get shoes, so you gotta be careful with shoes. I mean, they're size 19, guys. Like, you really can't just go to the store and buy those. Trust me, it's a thing.
Call him Boban Marjanović, I call him U-Rain.
So that's it. We got our glow laces in here from Lit Laces, and of course I got my signature tags on here, and we got our lightning finished, and the shoes are signed. So last but not least, it's time to go ahead and get these in a box and get them on out to Boban and see what he thinks. We almost didn't even make it to Boban because of this Puerto Rican Day parade in New York. It was impossible to go from east to west. We had to go 82 blocks just to make it to him, and we were 2 hours or almost 2 hours late just getting there.
What's up, man? I'm sorry we making you wait this long. Yeah, I know. Every single one of these streets blocked. So yeah, like I said, we on the way there. We'll be there in a second, as fast as we can. You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna have to go down to 97 and then try from there.
Boban's just standing in the park waiting for us for 2 hours. And he didn't even care. He was just, you know what? It happened to my brother. We fixed it.
2 hours later.
Yes, sir. You ready? All right, so we just got to New York. My boy Larry pulled up on me. He found a spot for us out here. He sent Boban here already. So my guy's up there shooting around. So let's go ahead and get over there, see what he wants to do with these shoes, see what he likes. Probably trying to run the ones. I don't know.
You running one? You think you gonna score?
I can get one.
You gotta get one, Buck.
I gotta get one.
You good?
Yes, sir.
Everything's good?
We finally made it. I mean, I've never had to go 80 blocks just to turn left. I mean,
Don't be mad. Be cool. Be good.
I tried.
One-on-one. No, I'm kidding.
Hey, I don't know. We might have to do that. I don't know. I got some shoes you've been waiting for, so of course I gotta let you get in here and see what we did. I think I got you a nice classic piece of mind.
Yes.
All right.
No, this is what I want. This is what I like. When they show in my trainings.
Exactly.
Basically, I walk on the court. You see?
Yeah.
Wow, wait. This is fire.
I appreciate it, of course.
Thank you
I
very much.
had to make sure to hook you up. So.
I like how you say like Boban 51 and everything, all this what you do, like nice things, and with the flash, with the colors, like of course, hey, my brother is here. Hey, we must respect who is here. It's like amazing surprise. I really love it. Like not because you here, not because you made. I really love it.
So if you got some time, we gotta maybe do something.
In New York, it's only right.
No, we don't play one-on-one.
How about horse?
How about horse? Okay.
Yeah.
Choose your character.
Try something simple.
Say try something simple. Hey, for you. Hey, only one ball. Yeah, look a step back. I guess I need to work more on that.
No, I think you're doing all right. I think you're
Yeah, I go and move like that.
That was 1-2 or
No, between the legs.
through the legs?
Pop, pop, no, this one. Pop, pop, pop.
All right.
There it goes.
I had to make one at least.
Ah.
See the layup.
Come on. Get in there.
Oh yeah. The wind is going this way. Look at this.
Bruh.
Swing go this way.
Hey, why you like that already?
Sorry because of blocking. I know. I get. Yeah.
If I had some shorts on, I'd get out there.
I know. This is what I know. I know. But you're driving for 4 hours.
I know.
I respect that. Thank you very much. Yeah.
They're glowing in the dark, and these are they'll the whole shoe will glow under black light. So like if you go on a club or something like that, it'll be cool. So
3, 2, 1.
Here we go!
Ooh, you guys stuck around to the end. All right, I appreciate that. So let me tell you a little bit about the sponsor for today's sports battle. This is, of course, a fantasy sports app with up to 20 times in cash winning. Sports Battle has the easiest way to play over and under. All you do is pick a game and a player, then you predict if your player will score over or under their average in any stat like, you know, goals, rushing yards, or even headshots. Play National League sports including NBA, NFL, MLB, F1, NASCAR, soccer, golf, tennis, and MMA. And esports like Dota 2 and CSGO. Support the channel, support the sponsor, support. Y'all know how it goes. I appreciate you guys, and I'll check you guys out in the next video.